Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about a theory that might come in the Kaiju Paradise 3.2 update.
So we all know this Nikango Kaiju that was confirmed to be in the 3.2 update, right? But they also confirmed this photo of a slime pup in the kangaroo pouch. So does this mean that the slime pup will also get a remodel similar to Abel? Put in the comments if the pup remodel will be in 3.2 and what you will think it gets remodeled. By the way guys, let's reach 1k subscribers so I can start live streaming gold and diamond dragon grinding. Bye everyone, hope you have a good day and stay tuned for the Kaiju Paradise 3.2 update.